Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be taking you today through Introduction to Excel. I'm still Akeloho Vanessa, Year 1 Medicine student at Gulu University. Yes, I'll be taking you through Excel. So the first thing you should know how to get Excel on your PC. So you come here to the search button, to the search bar, and just type Excel. And then they bring for you Excel here or here. You choose if it's the one you want, or you can also come here to Windows, to this window taskbar, and you come, then there's Excel here. Or you can open a folder. Like now me I have a folder I'm going to use. Come open the folder, then I come here. It's already here, but in case I didn't have, I would right click, then come to new, and from new I choose Excel worksheet, but I already have, so I'm going to redo all that. So I just come here and I'm going to open with Excel. Then you should know when, give me a minute. I'm going to open it with Excel. I'm sorry for that. So you come, when I come to my Excel, you should know this thing, like that Excel document. Okay, it's called a workbook. Then inside workbooks we have what? We have sheets. This is a worksheet. There's 1, 2, 3. If you want to add, just press that plus. There's another sheet being added, another sheet being added, another sheet being added, like that, depending on how much you want. But always, most times you use only one sheet. So I'm going back to my first sheet, and then inside Excel we have what? We have rows and columns. Now this, where we have letters, this is a column, and then where we have numbers, that is a row. So where a column meets with a row, you find a cell. Now I'm using here this box. This is a cell, and it's an active cell. This is an active cell. This is an active cell. This is an active cell. Then we also have a ribbon. This, where we have things of home, insert, formulas, all that. This is what? This is a ribbon. Yes, I was still telling you these are ribbon tabs, where we have insert, page layout, we have formulas, data, review, view, all this. This is all our what? Formula tab, ribbon tab. Then here, this space, you even seeing the name has written it. So this space here, this is the what? This is the formula bar. Yes. So you guys should also know that in Excel we use function. Okay, Excel can be used, it's used for tabulating data. Like I can use it maybe when I'm as a class teacher. I can use it to formulate results, maybe to formulate a report card. I don't have to do it manually. I just come and use Excel. And then also to manage your business, you come and see how your expenses are moving, your losses, your profits, and all that. Yes, so I'm going to take you through a simple example. So I come, names, I'm going to choose, there's Hope. Give me a minute. I come to Hope, and Oliver, then Vanessa. These are different names. Like, remember I told you for terminating data, I can put maybe Professor, Carrie, Gideon, any name you want. Rachel, Julius, any name. Like this is okay. This is for an example. Then maybe I put Max. Then from this Max, we put different subjects, maybe math, math, chemistry, biology. Then I would want to put maybe total, average. Yeah. So now I come here and delete this. Under math, maybe putting max 90, 91, 70, 89, 89, 100, 85, 72, 73, and I come also for chemistry, again add still 98, 97, 76, 75, 85, 91, maybe 100, and here maybe like 83. Biology still I can put 89, 71, 82, 67, 92, 62, 81, 72. So these are like max. And then I told you in Excel we have what? Formulas and functions. So formulas are like, they're here. Give me a minute. Go to home. Come here to auto sum. The sum, average, count, numbers, maximum, mini, and there are more functions. So I come, like for example, total. If I'm using functions, I'm going to come to, I press equal sign, equal to. Give me a minute. I press equal to. I come, press equal to. I press equal to. Hey, it's supposed to be in the cell. Press equal to. Give me a minute. What am I doing? Press equal to. Let me. This thing is disturbing me. Come here. Press equal to. Then I'm using function, so I press sum. Then brackets. Sorry. This is my. Then now, when I'm using function, I'm just going to come from here up to here. This is a range of cells. Then I cross. And I press enter. Then you see, I now come with my cursor here and just drag. This is what we call autofill. In Excel we have what? Autofill. That's what I'm telling you, it simplifies. You just insert the formula there or the function, and then you only work on the first one, then you autofill for the rest. And then this is when I'm using what? When I'm using function. Then if I'm using a formula, I just come here and I put this inside here. I press equal to, still, because it's a calculation. I press equal to, then I open my bracket, then I put this. Since I'm finding total, that means I'm adding not so. So I manually press plus, and this also, I come and press plus. Manually press plus, and I also come for this, still press, and I come close the bracket, then I enter. I still get the same thing, but the only difference is here now. I see when I come to the what? To the formula bar, it shows me that I've used what? A formula. But then for this one that follows, it shows that I've used the function. Then also under average, I still come Using a function, I just press equal to, then I type average, and I come to then I come and find the average of these marks. Sorry for that. I'm going to come and press equal to average, and I come close and find the average of this person. So I come, press, close the bracket, then enter. The average is 80, 87. Then you autofill. Every other person gets the average still. The average now, like, it's just automatic. But you told that computer has what? Artificial intelligence. So when you autofill, it's like you've told the computer to redo what you had done first. So yes, this which I'm doing, I'm just increasing the width of that. The cells, they were looking so small. So yeah, this is like this is what we call, this is just basic introduction to Excel. You know the functions, we use formulas. Then also in Excel we also have what? You can also put your work in graphical form. Are you seeing here? Okay, and I can use graph work. Yes. But allow me to first insert all borders in this to make this thing look better. I come and insert. Insert. Let me come here. No, this is for alignment. Sorry for that. It's inserting all borders. Yes. Insert all borders. Yeah, that looks better. Then for the graph, if you want a graph, also come to insert. And I come, put maybe I come to graphs, to column graph. You see, being able to put these people in a graph using their marks for math. Yeah, then you put the title after. Come here, axis titles, you type names, then here these are names, then these are marks. Then also title, you can also put title, this thing. Yeah, it's just basic introduction. I'm going to show you other things. Otherwise, thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow.